Want to turn casual browsers into hot leads with automated property alerts? Let's supercharge your real estate game by embedding Zillow listings directly into your Manychat bot. First, head over to Manychat and create a new flow. Name it something relevant like Zillow Property Listings. Now, add a user input step here. Ask your potential client what city they're interested in. Be sure to save the response to a custom field, something like desired city. Next, add an external request step. This is where the magic happens. You will now need to enter the Zillow API endpoint to pull property data from the selected city. Set the request type to GET and in the URL field, paste the Zillow API endpoint URL. Make sure to append the desired city custom field variable to the URL. The API will now know what city you're searching for. Configure the response. You need to map the relevant data, such as address, price, and Zillow link, to custom fields within Manychat. This ensures all the data collected is stored in Manychat. Now, add a card or gallery element to your flow. Populate it with the data you mapped from the Zillow API response, the address, price, an image from Zillow, and most importantly, a button linking directly to the property listing on Zillow. Test your flow. Enter a city and watch as the bot pulls the property data and presents it in an engaging card. Ensure the link to Zillow works correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Zillow listings into your Manychat bot. This will automate your property dissemination, allowing you to engage leads more effectively and generate new business.